Hello everyone, welcome again. My name is Darweesh and today we are studying F condition or conditional sentences. First of all guys, you need to understand the meaning of condition or conditional sentences. So conditional, it's like when you do this, this will happen after this, alright? If you don't do this, this will not happen. This is the meaning of condition, right? So, conditional sentences. All right, we have different kinds. Today we will study the first kind. Let's start. For example, I have ice. If I put ice in the sun, it melts. It changes from ice to water, right? So this is the first condition. So we say, if I put ice in the sun, it melts, all right? So the ice will change to be water, all right? Liquid, you understand? So this is the first condition. We don't call it number one, we call it zero F condition, okay? So in zero F condition, what is the rule of that? It is here, we can see it. If I put, what is the sentence in, what is the tense in here? It is simple present. No need to write, just use the program. So if I put ice in the sun, it melts. So here, simple present, and here also it melts. Also it is what? Simple present. Very good. Now you need to understand one thing, guys. When you start with F condition, all right, you finish the first sentence with a simple present. Then after that, don't forget that we use what? A comma or comma. Comma, comma, all right? So comma, the pronunciation, okay, is British, and American is comma, okay? Very good. So F condition, you finish the sentence, comma, then you complete, then you put the full stop and you stop. Okay, great. Now let's go to number two. Focus here. I get hungry if I don't eat. All right. So basically, zero condition is something fact. All right. I get hungry if I don't eat. Yes, it is a fact. Okay, so remember guys, here I used F in the beginning. Here I used F in the middle. Alright? Remember, when you use F in the beginning, you need a comma. When you use F here in the middle, no comma. Okay? Don't use comma here. Wrong. You understand? That's great. Now let's go to number two. Here. If it rains, we should stay home. See, here I told you, simple present, simple present. You can change simple present, the second one, or this one, no problem. You can change it with what we call should, may, might, could, would, will. What we call this? Modal verbs. Exactly. So you can change the simple present with modals. Great. Number two. So the last one. Here. If he calls, please inform me. What is this, guys? Inform me. Sit down. Stand up. Clap your hands. What is this in English? Imperative. So we also can change the second part. Okay. So we use F, then a clause, then here in the second clause, simple present, or you can change it to be what? Imperative. That's all about if condition or zero if condition. We still have 1 point, how we make, for example, this a question. So we say, if I put ice in the if I put ice in the sun, so here, simple present, so how can I make it a question? So here, does it melt? You say yes it does, no it doesn't. That's all about it. Guys, If you have any question about this grammar, all right, or any grammar, you can write it down in the comment. I'll be happy to explain them or it, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys. See you.